This video demonstrates the recommended method of injector preparation and loading for Incise. Following these instructions will minimize loading errors and provide the user with the best possible outcome. Once you've prepared the Medicel Viscoject BIO 1.5 by opening the blister tray and transferring the sterile injector onto the sterile field, hold the injector cartridge so that the movable and fixed cartridge wings of the loading chamber can be guided with the index finger and thumb. Open the loading chamber. Entering from the loading chamber side, apply viscoelastic such as Amvisc Plus, sodium hyaluronate or OcuCoat HPMC directly into the conical tip. Apply a thin line along the lower lateral groove. Then apply another thin line into the upper lateral groove. Grasp the pull tab of the foil lid on the vial and peel away from you to expose the holder inside. Carefully lift the holder out of the vial. Position the holder so the circular hole on top of the protective cover is facing up. Remove the protective cover by grasping the exposed tab, bending it upwards away from the holder and pulling it off. Remove the lens by gently grasping the optic along the 9 to 3 o'clock axis with smooth forceps and pulling upwards. Check the lens integrity and rinse with sterile balanced salt solution. Ensure the haptic features are positioned top right and bottom left. Place the lens in the center of the loading chamber. Push down on both sides symmetrically and ensure the haptics are located inside the lateral grooves. Check the position of the haptics and check that there is no material trapped between the cartridge wings before closing. Close and lock the cartridge. You should hear a click. Place the cartridge in the injector, ensuring it is slotted properly into the plunger. Push the plunger slowly with constant pressure until the silicone cushion has reached the tunnel opening. Now the lens is ready for injection. With the conical tip bevel facing down, inject the lens by reapplying a smooth and consistent pressure on the plunger to control delivery of the lens. Carefully push the plunger forward and ensure the silicone cushion correctly enters the loading chamber. Continue to push the cushion until the inner spring begins to press together. Stop pushing for 2 to 3 seconds to release the pressure. When the lens is fully engaged in the tip, pull back the plunger to ensure the haptics are not trapped by the cushion. Apply continuous pressure on the plunger until the lens is fully expressed from the tip. To avoid the silicone tip expanding during ejection from the cartridge, only push the plunger until the lens has emerged completely, even if the plunger is not yet at the limit. Clockwise injector rotation will compensate for any lens rotation.